Hi, I'm Gary Gietz, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Energy Service Partners. It was pretty exciting going up to Las Vegas to RE Plus and seeing over 40,000 people there celebrating the solar industry and learning more about the industry itself. But I'm reminded as I come back to California that we've had a pretty challenging year. It was great at the first part of the years because we had robust sales that were incredible, and I'm grateful now that all that volume has passed through the system now, but now we're left with the reality of post 3.0 and the need to install batteries, the need to create more value, more education. So we're all in this together. And I'm also aware that a lot of people are struggling. We're struggling based off of the fact that interest rates have gone up so much. We're struggling because we see that lenders have clawed money back from some of our partners that didn't have the money to give to them. We're grateful that we've survived. We're grateful that we're healthy, but we're also very sensitive to those that weren't that fortunate. So if you're a sales partner and you're looking for a home, or you're looking just to collaborate, if you're an EPC that has struggled and wants somebody to talk to help them navigate through this, or if you're being very successful and you want to share best practices, the good news is we're all in this together. If we're thoughtful of one another, we'll come out of this stronger than ever before. And we're here to help any way that we can. We appreciate our brothers and sisters who are in this solar community, and together we'll make history.